In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top of it and select Small Window in the pop-up. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you wish to turn your window into a bubble, click on this icon of a line at the top left corner. If you want to use it in full screen view, click on this one, also at the top left corner. To close your window completely, click on this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!